In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show labels on a Jira board. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or just getting started, being able to manage and display labels effectively can greatly enhance how you track and organize issues. Labels serve as helpful tags that you can attach to various Jira issues, making it easier to identify, categorize, and sort work items based on different criteria. So let's get right into it and take a closer look at how you can show labels on your Jira board with ease. To begin, let's navigate to your Jira workspace. You'll want to start by heading over to the Your Work section within Jira. This is typically where you'd have access to your recent projects and tasks, giving you a streamlined view of everything you're working on. This centralized hub is invaluable for accessing the various projects you're a part of, and it's the jumping off point for today's task. Once you're in the Your Work section, take a moment to select the project that you're focusing on. Selecting the right project is crucial because each project may have its own unique settings and configurations for handling labels. This step is quick and straightforward, ensuring you're working within the correct context before making any changes to labels. Next, we'll be moving to the backlog section of your selected project. The backlog is an essential component in Jira where you can manage all your project's user stories, tasks, and bugs. It's here that you'll identify which specific issues you want to manage with labels. Accessing your project's backlog not only provides a comprehensive list of everything that needs to be done, but also is where you can start attaching meaningful labels to your issues. Once in the backlog, find and select the particular issue you want to work with. Identifying the correct issue is key since you will be focusing your label management efforts on this specific item. Think of labels as little markers that can help indicate priority, progression, or any other criteria you deem necessary for that issue. Clarity in your issue selection ensures that the labels you apply will effectively communicate the needed context to your team. With your issue selected, the next step is to look for the Labels section within the issue detail. This area is where you directly interact with the current labels attached to the issue. Discovering the Labels section is relatively straightforward. It usually sits within the issue detail view, providing a visible and accessible place to see and manage all labels associated with that issue. Now, if there are no existing labels, you might notice a button or option that says None. Clicking on this option opens up the possibility for you to start adding new labels. The None button essentially signifies that there aren't any current tags associated with the particular issue, allowing you full scope to customize and begin labeling as you see fit. This might look like an empty canvas currently, but it's about to become the focal point for organizing this issue. Next, you can either select an existing label from the drop-down suggestions or type a new one. If your organization already has a set list of labels, this feature helps maintain consistency and ensures everyone uses the same terminology. On the other hand, typing a new label gives you the flexibility to create tags that perfectly match the unique needs of your project or task. It puts the power in your hands to either adopt a more standardized approach or tailor-make a label that fits precisely what you need. This step-by-step process is both flexible and robust, allowing you to leverage labels as a crucial organizational tool within your Jira project. By following these steps diligently, you're not just adding labels, you're enhancing how your entire team can interact with, filter, and make decisions about the tasks in your project. The ability to tag and sort effectively using labels prevents chaos and ensures that everyone is on the same page, thereby improving productivity and communication across the board. In conclusion, learning how to show and manage labels on Jira offers a significant advantage in how you handle projects. Whether for clarity, organization, or prioritization, labels are an invaluable feature of Jira that supports efficient workflow management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel confident about applying labels in your projects moving forward. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or reach out in the usual way. Happy labeling.